Actually, around time. We start JS DOM chapter. We discuss about content. Section 1 getting started. Section 2 selecting elements. Selecting elements, suppose get element by ID, get element by name, get element by ID, document dot get element by ID, as like get element by name. Section 3 traversing elements, parents, child, siblings, about. Section 4 manipulating elements in HTML, after method, before method, append method, remove child method. Section 5 working with attributes, set attribute method, about discuss this chapter. Section 7 working with events, different kinds of events you know. We discuss about major events, JavaScript events, page load events, JavaScript mouse events, JavaScript keyboard events. Section 8 is scripting web forms, JavaScript form for input event, radio button, select, checkbox, directly add, remove, about. This is JSDOM content. JavaScript have two part. This is JSDOM part. This is important, very important, because we use every our project, radio input, select, checkbox, form, form as like sign up form, वगैरह.